Tandoori Chapli Kebab Crispy Rolls. In this video, we are making crispy tandoori rolls and it is out of control now. My name is Mair, you're watching Mair Hungry YouTube channel. Let's make crispy tandoori chapli kebab chicken rolls. 1 pound of the chicken. Let's make small cubes out of it. Let's add this in our food processor. Grab a medium size onion. Small cubes goes in here. Oops. Fresh garlic cloves, 5 to 6 of them. 3 fresh green chilies. Let's take a bell pepper. Tandoori masala, ready-made. 2 tablespoons of the masala right in here. Half tablespoon of the salt. Half tablespoon of the black pepper. Let's process this tandoori chapli kebab. Whoa. Tandoori chapli kebab batter is ready. Look at this. Have a cast iron pan on the stove. 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. The whole thing goes in the cast iron pan. We have to cook it on the high flame at least for 15 minutes. This is the time. Let's stir fry and cook this. It's been 15 minutes on the high flame. We have been stir frying our delicious ground chicken with the tandoori flavor. There is no water left in here and it's completely fried. If you're temperature conscious, make sure your temperature reaches above 165. So for now, here you go. Let's add this all in here. Let this ground tandoori chicken settle down. We will spread it. This is pan in a pot combo. It's a little bit deeper. I'm using corn oil. You can use canola oil. You can use vegetable oil. You can use any frying oil you want. So we will deep fry these guys. At least 2 inches of the oil should be right there. We'll bring the oil temperature 350 degree and then we will be start making our delicious tandoori crispy rolls. Meantime, I'm taking some jalapeno. It's a tandoori chapli kebab. It should be spicy. Just dice it into small pieces. Handful of cilantro, fresh. I'm taking extra sharp cheddar. This is for cracker cut, but we can still use it. So some of them we will put cheese in there. So let's put the cheese right now here on the side. These are the wraps you're using. Ingredients: wheat flour 48% and it has water, sunflower oil and salt. For the wrap binding, I'm using all-purpose flour. So here you go. The binder for the rolls is ready. This will lock up our rolls. It says 25 sheets. So this is 1 sheet. Let's see. I like to use double because it comes more crispy. The roll comes more crispy. Why not do that? Let's use double. Okay. Hold this corner, bring it right here, take these guys, bring it in, and here will be our fatty full of cheese, and you see, if I press it hard, It don't even need nothing, but just to make sure, this is the binder. And here you go, just a little bit. And here you go, beautiful, delicious roll is ready. Let's just keep repeating the process now. Let's make one with just a single sheet. Cheese goes in, these sides come here, just like that, and now just roll it. See, that's what I was telling you. You need double sheets. Would you prefer double sheet, double roll, or would you prefer light roll? Done. So our oil is above 350, close to 400, and that's what we want. Just be careful when you're landing these delicious rolls. They are super tight, easy to do, and here you go. The max time frame to fry these is 8 minutes at 350 degree. Crispy Tandoori Chapli Kebab rolls. They are getting deep fried. We just have 3-4 more minutes left. Let's make the cilantro, the chutney sauce with that. So here you go. That's how I'm gonna do. Bare hand garlic, 2-3 green chilies, depends how spicy you want, 1 whole lemon juice, half tablespoon of the salt, 1 cup of water. So all the cilantro sauce right here, 3 tablespoons of plain yogurt in here, and here you go. And here you go, delicious cilantro sauce is ready. This is after 8 minutes. Yes sir, crispily done. Woo! Go, moment of truth. Whoa, they are hot. Perfect. This is the moment of truth. It's still steaming, and here you go, the cilantro sauce, homemade, clean, delicious. Woohoo! So you see the single sheet one is not performing well. So use double sheet. All double sheets are okay. You see? Okay. This is the roll. It goes in the sauce. Subscribe, join, hit the bell icon. I'll see you on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself. Easy to do. I have maybe 5 more minutes for these guys to get ready. Enjoy this recipe. Really good. You're gonna love it, honestly.